Why your stomach makes growling sound. That sound isn't hunger. You see, your digestive system runs on a schedule. Every few hours, it turns on a cleaning cycle. Your stomach and intestines start contracting in strong waves, sweeping, pushing, clearing leftovers. When food is there, the sound is soft, but when it's mostly empty, those waves move air, and air makes noise. That rumble isn't your body asking for food. It's your system checking if anything's left behind. Your stomach isn't begging, it's maintaining it.